Right, so in the previous video I mentioned how I adjust the plate on the pressure plate or the disc relative to the housing. However, when you put the clutch in the car, when you put the pressure plate in the car, all the levers will be way down there. So we're really close to the they'll all go up close to the pressure plate there, to the disc. So you have to bring them back up again. So you do have to do an in-car adjustment. And so as you can see right now, they're all the way up where they're supposed to be, right? So yeah, they're all the way up where they're supposed to be. I've already adjusted them. But what you do is, what I did is I bent, in this case, a 9/16 wrench, and then I use it to turn the, if this wasn't in the way, I wouldn't have to bend it, but, so as you can see, I just go in there, and then I put it on the lever adjustment nut. Here, I'll turn the flywheel, or the whole engine, so you can see. Give me 1 second. Well, there's the adjusting nut, and I've already turned them. So, and because the pressure plate is already compressed, it's very easy to turn them. It's not hard at all. However, you do want them to be at the correct height, and you want to hold them. I hold them in place with my thumb, pushing the wrench on them, because otherwise it'll just slip out. To adjust the height of the levers, I just used Vernier dial, pushed it in there like that. They're all fairly good, and well, that's pretty much it. I've seen them doing this as well on in Pakistan. I might have a link to their video there, but yeah, there you go. And then this ensures that the shift lever, sorry, the bearing, the throwout bearing, is at the correct height and correct length for you to press on the pedal. So if you just put the pressure plate in and these levers are sticking way down there, then we have a problem, because the throwout bearing will just go inside. It will just go in there, and it won't push the levers because they're already all the way down. So the levers have to come up, and you do that by tightening them. You tighten the nuts, which brings the studs up. So that's pretty much it.